How to increase WordPress website speed in mobile. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to increase your WordPress website speed in your mobile phones. So here is my website. Let's copy the link, then we'll go to page speed insight, and here I'll paste my URL and then click enter. So basically this website will run analysis and then it will tell me what's the performance of my page in mobile phones and desktop. As you can see, in mobile phones it's 82% and in desktop it's 92%. I want to make it more good, so I'll go to my WordPress dashboard, then I'll bring my cursor to plugins and then click on add new. Then in this search box, I'll search for 10 web and then I'll click enter. And from here, I'll install this plugin 10 web booster. Once it's installed, I'll click on activate. Okay, so my plugin has been activated. Now you need to click on sign up and connect. So you need to make an account here. You can also create an account. I'll sign up with Google. It will automatically optimize your home page. It will take minimum 30 seconds. It says your home page is being optimized right now. In the meantime, please verify your account from the email we sent you. I'll click on check my score. So it's optimizing score of my home page. So as you can see, it has optimized the score of my home page. It's 97 in mobiles and 100% in desktop. If we go to page speed insight, when the 10 web plugin was not installed, it was 82% performance in my mobile phones and in desktop it was 92. But once we installed 10 web plugin, it's 97% in mobiles and 100% in desktop. Let's do it in page speed insight once again. I'll copy the link of my website and then I'll go to page speed insight again and I'll paste it here. So it's discovering. As you can see, it's 95% now and previously it was 82%. This is how you can increase the performance of your WordPress website in mobile phones and desktop. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.